Hey everyone, in this video we are learning about the web templates in Salesforce Marketing Cloud Personalization. Today we will explore what web templates are, why they are essential and their purpose, and a quick guide on how to create one. So let's get started. So first we are discussing what is the web template. So a web template is a predefined reusable framework used to build web pages, emails or landing pages that incorporate dynamic content. Think of it as a blueprint that defines a consistent structure with a designated area, like areas for headers, footers, navigations, and content blocks. So when you use the web templates, you are setting up a solid foundation that can be personalized with dynamic data, ensuring consistency across all digital touchpoints. So next question, like we are thought of why are we using web templates? So why it's need? So basically web templates are used for several reasons. So consistency, for the consistency, like they ensures that every page or email maintains a uniform look and feels feel reinforcing your brand identity. For the efficiency, like with a reusable framework, you save time on designing each assist for from scratch. For scalability, like templates make it easier I'll roll out personalized experiences to large audience, dynamically changing content based on user data. And for the user experience, like a consistent design combined with personalized content creates a smoother and more engaging users journey. So and web templates purpose is like the main purpose of the web templates is to streamline the creation of personalized digital experiences by defining a standard layout with the dynamic placeholders. Web templates allow you to like automatically populate content with personalized data like username, purchase history, or location based offer. Maintain a cohesive designs according across multiple channels such as like email, landing page, and websites. Empower marketers to focus on content and strategy rather than a repetitive design tasks. So in essence, web templates help bridge the gap between efficient design and personalized communication. So let's walk through the high-level steps to create a web template in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So first, we are going to the personalization section in Marketing Cloud and click on it, and then going to the web and channel campaigns and click on the web template. And yeah, I'm going to the web and click on the web templates. So here we can see several of web template which I'm creating. So here we can see the new template options. Click on the new template, we can also create the web template. But here we are using the NPO website for the creation by the visual editor. So here when we are going to the web again and through the beacon, we are going to the visual editor. Then we can see here hexagon structure. Here we are seeing the web template options, like if we are using the viewing template, and then we can see existing templates which are already created. And one more thing, like if we can use here one of the things that we can use new template. So here we are clicking on it and put our template name like demo template. And after the demo template, we are integrate all the options what criteria we want to set here. So when we are setting all the criteria, then going to the save, and we can save this demo template and publish this for using the campaign. So first one is like define a layout. Start by like outline the structure of the template, identify the sections like headers, footers, navigations, and content blocks. You can sketch this out or use a design tool to visualize the layout. So set up a dynamic placeholders, integrate with personalization tool, design and style, test your template and deploy and reuse. So basically after all the steps is completed, then we can publish our templates. So here after creating the web template and publish them, we are going to the UI like personalization tools, and then here we can after refresh the page, we can see here our demo template which is published before few minutes. So here we can see all the web templates which we have created or we are creating or we will create. So this is all about the web template creation. So yeah, here we can see like a history when we are creating the web template, and here we are also seeing see the campaigns. So this is all about the web template creations. So now we hope you now have a clear understanding of what web templates are, why they are so valuable, and how to create one to drive personalized and efficient marketing campaigns. If you found this video helpful, then give me a thumbs up, and yeah, follow for more tips or more knowledge about personalizations. So this is all about the web templates. Thank you.